I'm going to show you how to put a YouTube video on Google Slides. So I have this blank sample presentation opened up right here, and all you really have to do is in your presentation where you want to add the video, just go into the insert button, which you actually see on the bar right here, and click that. And on the drop down, you need to click video. So you'll actually see it says YouTube right here, and there's a search box. And what you can actually do is search for the video you want to add. Alternatively, if you already know which video you want to add, you can actually just go to the tab right here that says by URL. And what you can do then is go to YouTube, and let's say this is the video that I want to add. I can just go ahead and right click and copy the URL. And I can go back into my Google presentation on Google Slides and just paste this in here. And what you'll actually see is it actually pops up with the video right here, and it'll show you a preview right here. You can just click the select button. And what it'll do is it'll actually add that video automatically into the presentation. And what you can actually do is go ahead and resize it if you want it to be bigger and take up as much as possible. And you'll actually see some options on the right that pop up. So what it'll actually show you is the first button, or the first option is the play on click automatically or play manual. And what these are essentially options for how you want the video to play. Like for example, if you want the video to play automatically as soon as you get to the slide, you can go ahead and select that option, and essentially you can pick whichever option works best for you. And then another option you have right here is if you want the video to start at a specific time. Like for example, if there's just a specific clip of the video that you want to play in your presentation, you can go ahead and put the time that you want it to start at here and the time that you want it to end at here. And the way you can see that is, let's say if you go to the video, let's say you go to this part, you see that this is 1 minute and 45 seconds, and let's say you want it to end at this part, you can see that that's 2 minutes and 20 seconds, and you can enter that in these two fields. This option will go ahead and let you mute the audio, so if there's just something going on screen that you want the presentation to be able to show, you can go ahead and select that option to mute the audio. Now, I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any other questions, be sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you with a response. But other than that, if this video was helpful, be sure to leave a like.